How to know if someone's secretly using your emo account. Hey there everyone, welcome back to the Skydeck Studio, and today's guide I'll show you how you can find out if someone using your emo account. It's super easy, but before we start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so now to know if someone using your emo account, the very first thing that you have to do is simply go and open up the emo account from your device. And once you're here inside your emo app, you just need to go and tap on the profile icon at the top left. And once you get into the profile, all you have to do is just need to go to the security and privacy option right over here. And once you're here inside the security and privacy, you just need to scroll down a little bit from here, and inside the security you'll get to see the manage devices. So just go ahead and tap on manage devices, and once you do that, and this is going to show you all the device name that your current emo account has been logged in. You'll get to see I only have one device, so that's why I'm pretty much sure that no one is using my emo account. But if you have, you'll get to see the multiple devices will be available. If you see any suspicious devices available, you can go ahead and turn off this option, multi-device. You can toggle off this. This is going to disable the multi-devices. No one can access to your account or log into your account. And also, if someone, you can delete by disabling this. You can tap on disable and your current account will logged out from other devices, and also for the future time no one can log into your emo account. And this is how you can stop someone using your emo account from your device. Hope you find this to be helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to this channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.